Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. Today's video is going to be about how you can sign out or log out of the Aramex application using your mobile device. If you're logged into your Aramex app and you are looking for a way to sign out of it since you are using a public device or whatever region, then the first thing you'll need is to open up the Aramex application on the device. Once you are inside the main homepage, tap on My Account at the bottom right, and then from the My Account tab, tap on the Logout option at the very bottom of the screen. Confirm that you'd like to log out by tapping Logout once again in the pop-up. Wait for a few seconds, and that's how you can easily log out of Aramex app. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.